The ScanSnap iX500 is designed to scan your documents quickly and efficiently, requiring very little maintenance on your part. After time, paper dust and other contaminants can transfer to ScanSnap, and this can impact performance. This video will explain how to clean your scanner to keep ScanSnap iX500 running great. Before starting, close the lid and disconnect the power cord and observe all safety precautions outlined in the operator's guide. Begin by cleaning the consumables in the scanner. Lift the lid and open the automatic document feeder. The consumables are located on the upper section as well as the lower section. Keeping these two consumables clean will prolong their life and will allow ScanSnap to feed more reliably. Start with the lower section. Locate the pick roller and clean it with F1 cleaner applied to a lint-free cloth or ScanSnap cleaning wipe. Next, move to the upper section and locate the separation roller. The best way to clean the separation roller is to remove it from ScanSnap. Open the roller compartment and lift the separation roller out. With the roller removed, clean it with F1 cleaner applied to a lint-free cloth or ScanSnap cleaning wipe. Wipe in the direction of the grooves running along the surface. When finished, return the separation roller to the holding bracket and close the compartment. Now, with the consumables clean, take a moment to wipe off all glass areas inside the paper path. Keeping these glass areas clean will help maintain good image quality when using your ScanSnap. Using a lint-free cloth with F1 cleaner applied to it or ScanSnap cleaning wipe, wipe the glass surface areas along the top section and then the bottom section. Remember to never spray anything including compressed air directly into the scanner. Now close the automatic document feeder and attach the power cord. If cleaning the scanner does not improve performance, the pick roller and separation roller may need to be replaced, and this can be done very easily. For more information, please visit ScanSnapCommunity.com.